Hello guys, today I will show you how to bypass the iCloud activation lock. So let's start. Like you see, my iPhone is need activate and I don't have the Apple ID. So let's start. Open the bypasser and connect the iPhone or your device and select your device. My device is iPhone 4 and version. My version is 7 and press on activate. Now you need to wait. And device activated. Now all what you need to do is disconnect the iPhone and connect it again. Now let's see. And here is it. I activate my iPhone 4. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching, and download is on description.